In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a project in Asana. Asana is a popular project management tool that helps teams organize, track, and manage their work. Whether you're managing a big project with team members across different time zones or simply planning your own schedule, Asana can be immensely powerful. Let's dive into the steps to get your project up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Asana account. If you don't have an account, you can head to the Asana website to sign up. It's pretty quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, look for the New Project button. It's usually prominently displayed for your convenience. Click it, and you'll have a few options on how to proceed. At this point, you can choose to create a project from a template or start from scratch. It really depends on your needs. Templates can be great if you need a little structure or if you're working on common business processes like a product launch or a marketing campaign. For today, let's go through creating a project from scratch so you can learn the ropes. After selecting your preference, you'll be asked to give your project a name. Choose something clear and specific like Website Redesign Q1 instead of just Project 1. Good naming helps keep everyone on the same page, literally. Next, you need to decide on the project view. Asana offers different views, including list, board, calendar, and timeline. Each view has its advantages, so it's really about what works best for you and your team. If you prefer the classic to-do list style, the list view would make you feel right at home. Meanwhile, the board view is excellent if you love the Kanban style of project management, where you can move tasks between columns that represent different stages of work. Once you've picked your project view, it's time to set the details. You can add tasks to your project, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Remember, adding clear and concise task descriptions is vital to ensure everyone knows exactly what's needed. You can also add subtasks if a task has smaller, actionable parts to it. Don't forget to take advantage of tagging and priorities in Asana. Tags can help categorize the tasks, and setting priorities ensures that everyone on your team is focusing on the most critical components first. Finally, spend some time exploring other features like adding project members and defining roles within the project. This helps in setting clear accountability and keeps communication open. And there you have it, a fully set up project in Asana. Don't underestimate the power of a well-organized project from the start. It not only keeps your work on track, but also improves the overall productivity and morale of your team. Happy planning!